In our growing Colorado, there's a classic conflict brewing between old versus new.
And tonight, Denver 7's Jennifer Kowaleski shows us a rare win for the old and why a Glendale rug store's fight is a win for landowners across the state.
Nazarene Colgi and her family fought hard for this moment.
Wow, that's what it was.
For these 30 pages of justice.
30 pages.
No, eminent! It marks the end of a 3-year battle between their family rug store and the city of Glendale. They marched, put up signs, and never backed down.
It means that a cloud of eminent domain is lifted from our land.
The city of Glendale deemed their land blight or run down and tried to take it through eminent domain to build new, transforming their prime real estate along the Cherry Creek Trail into this multi-million-dollar dining and entertainment district known as Glendale 180. And while the city ultimately backed down,
you know, we didn't sue for money. We sued for $1.
The Colgis still went to court to make sure they could never come back and keep other cities from using this loophole to gobble up land in our booming Colorado.
They should have a choice whether they want to fight it or sell it.
Now, 3 years later, their battle is finally worth it.
Keep up, don't give up. As long as you can. I mean, no regrets.
The 10th District Court of Appeals found Colorado's urban renewal law violates due process because it doesn't require cities to notify landowners if their property is deemed run down.
It's something that's going to set precedent. The municipalities look at this and say, all it takes is a stamp and a letter to the landowners to notify them.
And perhaps more importantly, she says it shows the little guy can win.
And we were told over and over and over that nobody ever wins. The right does win.
In Glendale, Jennifer Kowaleski, Denver 7.
And the city of Glendale says this ruling will have significant impacts on new and existing urban renewal projects all across the state, but stressed it will not impact the Glendale 180 project, which is moving forward without the family's land. Now, if your backyard is changing or growing, we want to know what your Colorado looks like. Send us a note at ourco@thedenverchannel.com, or you can reach out to us on Facebook or Twitter.